Hi guys, it's Rohit here, and this is the first time posting a video on YouTube, and this video is mostly as a progress tracker which I will be using to actually keep me motivated and give you guys a progress on the game that I am making. So firstly, I started my game development from Unreal Engine, and then I moved over to Unity because I found Unity's C# programming, the workflow much more better than Unreal Engine's blueprint programming. But Unreal Engine does have a lot of features that are easier to use and easier to configure. And so after I have actually made 3 games in Unity and 2 for the Play Store, but those 2 actually did not get a lot of hits, just like 10 to 20 downloads. So yeah, life of an indie developer. So this is the new project that I am actually working on, and in a few moments, yeah, like right now I'll actually show you the equipment that I'm using. So that's my monitor, that's my speakers, webcam, keyboard, my controller, Wacom tablet, a wireless keyboard, a mouse, yeah, and the book that I keep my bug tracking and all. Yeah, so all of that I do in a notebook. I keep track of all my bugs and the sounds that I need, what is to be done today and what is not to be done, and what problems that I have to solve and what was last done. All that is kept within that notebook. And so I'm gonna show you a little bit about my game which I'm actually starting. Yeah, and the game, yeah, let's just play it. Yeah, and this is like 2 weeks into development. All of the graphics that you can actually see is hand-drawn by me. I am a solo developer, so I'm working alone on this project at this moment. And yeah, most of the textures are hand-drawn. All of them actually are hand-drawn, and those take a lot of time. And that's the vents, the disposal machine, and an all-round view of the room. So the game that I'm actually making, and I've been working on it for like 2 weeks or more. I don't really know, because a lot of time passes and I'm actually attending college and all this stuff, studying law at the moment. Yeah, and so this is the latest thing that I was working on. I use a lot of control managers from the asset store, searched on Google, but none of them actually worked for me because it was not equal to what I wanted, and so I decided to make my own, and that's me actually testing out the new key. And after like working for 8 hours straight, I finally got it to take in an input, and now which form an input is just a rebindable key system. And that control manager also has the controls for a gamepad, that means my Xbox controller, which can be switched on the fly. That means I can actually play with my gamepad and my keyboard at the same time. I can switch it whenever I want. If I disconnect my controller, the keyboard comes into play, and if my controller is connected and my keyboard is connected, but both can work at the same time. And that's the code that has been put. And the save manager is actually taken from NTK's glide tutorial. Those videos are really good. They actually provide a lot of knowledge for you. When I was starting out in Unity, I used his tutorials to actually make my first game. And the videos that you were seeing, the ball collecting collectibles, so that was my first game after using Unity, after learning that tutorial from Unity. Yeah, this game. So this was actually my first game, and after distributing it to my friends and all, I got around 50 downloads max. So thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated.